I'm Vietnamese. I'm here to make Vietnam stronger. I'm a global citizen. I communicate with the whole world. I passionate about learning English. I love I will speak perfect English. I will devote all my time and efforts. Enjoy listening to English every day. Enjoy listening, speaking English everywhere. I'm fearless to express myself. I'm fearless to take to follow, no matter how here just is here, no matter how long it takes, no matter what they say. I still believe in myself. I'm going to make it. Just do it right here, right now.